Hi guys, it's Megan here. I'm going to show y'all really quick. This is a very quick tutorial. I'm going to show y'all what I do to kind of help smooth out some problematic areas that, some of our clients may have, some insecurities, stuff like that. You can see this mama's got a little bit of scarring going on here. We're going to go ahead and just get rid of that. So I'm going to jump over here into my Portrait Retouch collection by Greater Than Gatsby. I will be putting the link down in the comments for y'all so you guys can check it out. Everything's on sale right now. I'm not sure how long the sale's going to last, so just make sure you get it quick. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to make sure that I'm in quick selection mode. If you don't know how to get that going, there's a little button over here. Just double click on it. Make sure it says selected areas. Put your opacity about 34 or 35% and then hit OK. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and hit the play button right here on the Flawless Skin Blend. I'm going to hit continue, and it's going to do what it's got to do over here. So the very first set is the Flawless Clone. You want to go in and just kind of clean up as much of the area as possible, just to kind of give it a real nice, soft, workable base, to get with, because you want to not make a whole lot of extra work for yourself. So just kind of get rid of what you can while you're there. All right, so next I'm going to come down here to the Flawless Blend action. Next we're going to grab the lasso tool, and we're going to just kind of circle around the areas here that we want it to blend inward to. So we're just going to grab all of this right here. We're going to hit Q. You can see that it does the mask on it, and we don't want it to be that blunt, so we're going to go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And then we're going to just kind of adjust where we need it to where it'll blend out and not be so harsh. So we're going to do it about right there. We're going to hit OK. We're going to hit Q, Filter, Gaussian Blur, and then you can see it made it very smooth already. So next we're going to just kind of come up here. Let's do a little bit in this area. Hit Q, Filter, Gaussian Blur. Q, Filter, Gaussian Blur. There we go. Let's kind of get a little bit more down in here. Q, Filter, Gaussian Blur. Q, Filter, Gaussian Blur. It's kind of like a pattern. All right, there's a little bit of dimple over here, so let's kind of go back up here to this Flawless Clone, and let's kind of get rid of that. I'm not sure. There we go. All right, so now you can see, we'll go to revert. And fixed. All right, so there you have it. I will be adding more tutorials as we go. Next, I'll probably do the skin correction, just the frequency separation method. And you know what, we can actually probably, let's see if we can just do a little bit of it while we're here. So you want to make sure that you're in the bit that you're working in. I'm working in 8-bit. If you don't know what bit you're in, go to image mode and you'll be able to see what bit you're working in. Just kind of select that. Hit the play button. You're going to hit continue. Now we don't want to mess with these two layers. There's a smooth layer and a texture layer. We don't want to mess with any of those. So with a soft white brush, well, we want to grab the color of your skin, and we're just going to have our flow. You want to bring it to about anywhere between 3 and 5%, so maybe about 4%, kind of right in the middle. And then we're just going to have 100% opacity, and we're just going to kind of paint over that area. And what frequency separation does is it separates the texture from the actual skin, so where you still have a very nice, pretty, beautiful foundation. And you can do that with newborns. It works really great with newborns. And that's all there is to it. It's very subtle, but it keeps it looking really, really nice and clean. So so there you have it. I will talk to you guys next time.